जानकारी के लिए. And now the viewers, is breaking news coming in. Actor and politician Tamilaga Vettri Kazhagam has moved the Supreme Court challenging the Election Commission of India to conduct special intensive revision of the voter roll in Tamil Nadu. According to DMK's petition, a special summary revision had already been conducted in Tamil Nadu between October 2024 and January 6, 2025. During which the electoral roll was updated to reflect changes such as migration, deaths and deletion of ineligible voters. The revised roll was published on January 6, 2025 and has been continuously updated since then. Despite this, ECI has notified a fresh SIR introducing new guidelines that impose citizenship verification requirements, especially for those whose names were not on the 2003 electoral roll. In contrast, the All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam has filed an application supporting SIR in Tamil Nadu, calling it a legitimate and necessary exercise to uphold the sanctity of elections and prevent voter fraud. Apart from Tamil Nadu, petitions have also been filed challenging the SIR exercise in Kerala, West Bengal and Puducherry. A bench of Justices Surya, Kant and Joymalya Bagchi is set to hear it on November 26. And I have my colleague Sambhav Sharma with me. Sambhav, what more can you tell us?
Here you have shared details of what's going on in the Supreme Court when it comes to special intensive revision exercise. The top court is hearing all the petitions, be it in support of special intensive revision exercise or opposing SIR exercise. And here another petition is being filed, as you rightly pointed out. The DMK party has approached the top court, the Supreme Court, challenging this particular special intensive revision exercise of the electoral rules in state of Tamil Nadu. And apart from it, if we talk about earlier, when it comes to Tamil Nadu, DMK has also challenged this particular exercise earlier this month in the Supreme Court, questioning the sanctity of this particular exercise when already a summary revision has already been done. So what is the point of this new special intensive revision exercise in the state is what is said by DMK. And also when we talk about Tamil Nadu politics, it's not just TVK and DMK which is opposing this particular SIR exercise, but on the other hand, AIADMK has filed an application in the Supreme Court earlier this month supporting the special intensive revision exercise conducted by the Election Commission in different states of the country. And if we talk about the official version of the Election Commission is in complete support of this exercise and vociferously putting its opinion before the Supreme Court in affidavits, and where the Election Commission is saying that similar, these kind of exercises is in a way, right of the Election Commission under Article 324 of Indian Constitution, and they are very much required, keeping that change in the demography of different states. So this exercise is very much important. So on one hand, Election Commission and many parties like AIADMK are in support of the SIR exercise, but there are many parties which are opposing it, especially in the last date of hearing, when the matter was before the bench led by Justice Surya, who is going to be the next Chief Justice of India from tomorrow, is going to take oath as the 53rd Chief Justice of India. And the matter is before the bench led by the CBI designate. And it is very important because the Bihar electoral, during the Bihar SIR exercise was challenged and after detailed argument, Supreme Court has not stayed this particular exercise in state of Bihar. Now SIR is being conducted in different states of the country, and Election Commission is in complete support of this exercise. However, there are many political parties during the last date of hearing in the Supreme Court, one member of parliament, Congress member of parliament from Uttar Pradesh has also challenged this SIR exercise, and now Kerala government has also challenged this SIR exercise. And the hearing, detailed hearing in this matter, as you rightly pointed out, is on November 26th. So the next date of hearing, it is going to be crucial because on November 26th, CJI designate Justice Surya will be the Chief Justice of India, and the matter will be before his bench. And it is to be seen what Justice Surya says next. The bench led by Justice Surya is going to say on this particular SIR exercise, because now it's being conducted in different states of the country, and Election Commission is in complete support of this exercise, and Election Commission is in fact conducting this exercise. On the other hand, several political parties are opposing it on many grounds that it will possibly disenfranchise voters in that particular state. Few of the voters, especially the poor and marginalized, will be disenfranchised. This is the biggest fear, and many of the senior advocates are putting this opinion in the Supreme Court, including. Yes.
All right, Sambal, thanks for joining me with those details. And in Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu, heavy rain